Ukrul District Headquarter taba lambi sing matam ga chunaba mongda semga saganaba thaurangli English sing ni tara mapan kungi matamda lenga ki makha da headquarter asi taba lambi mari sembal loikrei ahum amana semnaba thaurang tawbaga loinana nauna lambi mari amana lenga sigi numit chamagi action plan gi manungda paikhali haina Works Minister Govindas konthauzamna phongdokrei Wafam asing asi taranithoi rakshuba Manipur State Legislative Assembly gi anishuba mifamgi question hour gi matamda Ukrul gi MLA Muivah na district asi gi lambi thongi matangda hangkiba wahangi paukhum oina phongdokhibane Minister Govindas ki paukhum masibu pendaba phongdoktuna MLA Muivah na laikai yangkhai taruk hena taba Ukrul town amade Hundung khulgi lambi thong sing ka hena fattabana miyamna chathok chasin tawbada chawna khudong chadaba mayoknari Lenga ki numit chamagi action plan gi manung chalhodaba district asigi maruoiba lambi ani mahagna hokiba matam khara sida black topping tawduna miyamda khusinakhi State asigi lambi thong semnabagi damakta Public Works Department ki makhada chahi amagi oina punba lupa crore lising aniga chatrat ki allocation fund leibagi manungda Ukrul District ki oina supnagi lupa crore mari manga khakki work proposal thagalaknaba khanghalakpada angakpa fawi haiki State asigi achoba tourism festival singi marakta ama oiriba Siroi Lily Festival pangthokfam oiriba district asigi lambi thong semga saganaba yamdrapada lupa crore chamaga humdra gi senthang kaithafam thoi haina mahangna phongdokhi Nakalamaromda PWD ki makhada chahi asigi financial year gi oina habliba punba senfam asi department asigi employee singi thagi tolop ki senfam su yauri MLA gi wafam asi Budget demand ki matamda khanaduna makhata na kari khongthang lokhutpa yabagi haibadu khanasi haina phongdokhi
I was asked to submit work proposal of about 4 or 5 crore. Truth be told, I was crestfallen. Yesterday, in the budget estimate, if I correctly remember, a sum of rupees 2,700 crore has been allocated to PWD. If that is so, I believe Ukrul district should be given at least 170 crore, not 4 or 5 crore.
Allocation in the budget of for this current financial year is 2,700 crore, which is meant for the salaries and everything, which we can discuss in the demand discussion also. And I will look into what the honorable member have just placed before this house.